Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of April 3rd through the 9th in my social media planner. I'm going to be pulling a few boxes and functional items from the Stargazer sticker book by the Happy Planner, but our main focus is going to be this mini kit by Lily and Meeko Designs. It is the 50th celebration kit. I don't know if that's the exact title of the kit, but it reminds me quite a bit of Happily Ever After, so that is our main focus on why we're using this kit, because April 3rd is when Happily Ever After returns, and I am excited. I am ready. Enchantment was good, but it's time for Happily Ever After to return, so that's why we're using this kit. And you will see that if you follow me on Instagram, you will see another 50th celebration kit in my work planner as well, so you're welcome. So here is how last week turned out. We have our beautiful, I call this the Talk Crafty to Me kit, but it's called Craft Yourself a Rainbow. This was last week's plan with me, so we're going to move in to this week. I had forgotten to mention that I did pull some washi. This is actually from Sugary Gal Shop. It came with the, I believe it was the This Is Us collection, and I thought these colors worked really, really well with the kit. So that is what we're going with this week with our washi tape. And I'm just going to do what I always do and line the spine of the spread with this gorgeous washi. It has got like gold specks in it, and it is beautiful. So at the time of me filming this, it is currently Friday, and yesterday, Thursday, and Wednesday, it has been cold. And I don't know why, because Florida was burning hot on Monday and Tuesday, but when I went to work on Wednesday, it was perfectly fine. There was no heat, and Florida's weather is just weird, and most of the time I have come to just accept it because I'm always going to expect it's going to be super, super hot. But yesterday and Wednesday, it's been pretty nice, so I have had to pull my Spirit Jersey collection out and wear my sweaters because I don't wear them in the summer, and it's basically summer now, and it's just, Florida's weird, you guys. So I know everywhere else it is snowing and cold and you guys are tired of it. Bring it to us. Bring it to Florida. We'd like the cold, please. At least I would. I don't know about everybody else, but I would like the cold before the summer heat hits. So I'm not going to white this whole thing out. I'm just going to take just a little bit off so that it doesn't show up when I put this washi on the top of it. I don't know what we're going to use this box for, but we're going to use it for something, but I haven't figured it out yet. Usually, if you've seen my previous plan with me, it's for my Simply Sweetly Crafty, but my PR ended in the end of March, so now I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but we're going to figure it out. Okay, let's go ahead and start by putting the date covers down. You know what we're going to do? This is going to be what this box is going to be for. It's going to be for this week. That's what we're putting it down for. We've already decided. So I'm going to start by adding all of the date covers here. Usually I start on the opposite end, but since we were already in this, it was already reachable, that's what we're starting with. So have you guys been to Disney before? If you have, did you see Happily Ever After before it left? Did you see before Happily Ever After debuted? Did you see Wishes? Did you see Enchantment? What did you think? Did you think Enchantment was better? I want to chat with you guys because I love Happily Ever After. It gave me such great feels, and I am so excited that it's back. I am expecting to sob uncontrollably when I hear Jordan Fisher grace our ears once more. So I'm just excited. It's going to be crazy busy because this is also the week, April 4th, is when Tron opens up. I was going to use a Tron Light Cycle kit but it's not going to be in time, so that's okay. We'll save it for another week, but it's going to be a crazy week, so I'm excited for Jordan Fisher's voice to grace my ears once again. Okay, I should probably put numbers on here, shouldn't I? That would be smart. Sweet. Okay, let's go to this side because I want to do something fancy. Well, okay, we're going to put the castle right here at the bottom. If I can put it down without making it crooked, that would be helpful. There we go. And then we'll do our fun little monorail over here. Let's do, I'm thinking, okay, we finished up this little sheet here, so I'm thinking we could put one over here, and I think we're going to put this cute little box, and then I'm going to have one little deco piece over here because Thursdays and Fridays are my off days for right now, and it'd be nice to have a little deco piece on this side. So now we need to put our $2 Tuesdays and new releases, but I think we're actually going to, I was going to put them over here, but I kind of like the idea of putting them over here instead. Look at that. It fits perfectly here. $2 Tuesdays, and then, oh goodness, Friday's new releases. So maybe, you know what? We will take this box and we will put it in between Friday and Sunday. That way we don't take up the entire space for Friday, but we still have cutesy little deco and we still have room for things. And you know what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here, which does take up a little bit of space, but not too much. We still have room for everything else. Now, let's see. Part of me kind of wants to add these glitter headers, but we're going to wait on those. Actually, we might not need to wait. Let's use these blue ones. We're going to put them across the top and bottom of this box to make it fancy. And I think we're going to take these purple ones and do the same with this box. Because why not? Why don't we make it fancy, right? Make it beautiful. Okay. Now I need my titles, and you know what? We're going to do, we're going to use these. Yeah, I'm going to put this one here. This one is going to be my filming. Let's make sure it is not crooked because I am very bad at keeping things straight, apparently. Oh my gosh. There we go. And then this is to edit. And then we do have some things we need to put here. So we have our cute little dates or habit trackers, and I use these habit trackers for keeping track of the pods, the Instagram pods that I'm on, and I think this is going to be enough. I think we should have plenty here for that. And I guess we'll put a little title up here just for funsies. Let's do the blue one. I'll write the title. And then what we're going to do is take these boxes and just make little boxes for important things, maybe some fun things that are happening that I need to write down or something. Something cool like that. You never know. Put something there. Okay. And then we're going to add some over here as well. So I'm going to put this box here. I don't know what these boxes are going to be for, but you know, it doesn't hurt to have a little bit of decoration on this side. Nice. And we'll do another one with these down here at the bottom. Got to use up all of our boxes. Okay. And then I am going to do a little something up here, I think. Do a few little boxes in case there are anything. You know what? We'll just use up the rest of this sheet. Makes things easier. In case there's anything that pops up throughout the week that I want to write down, maybe, you know, there's a special sale, or you never know. You never know what's going to happen throughout the week. So it's always nice to be prepared. There we go. And then the last thing before we add all of the other things, I'm going to do a let's see. Okay, this box. Just a little to-do list, just in case I need it. I probably won't, but it doesn't hurt. Perfect. We love it. Oh, so cute. Well, I was going to use this, but I don't think I actually need it. I think that this is perfect. I'm really excited because I was really afraid that the kit wouldn't be enough, but that works out great, except for this box is crooked and it's bothering me so bad. Usually I will just leave it, but not today. Today we don't leave crooked boxes. I don't know why specifically today we don't leave them crooked, but no crooked boxes today. All right, so looks like all we have to do now is to just add some more of this washi to make the spread look a little bit better. That way we just don't have this random strip here. And then I think we're done. I don't think there's much else we need to do at this point, besides like adding the social media icons, which we'll do together in a second. But yeah, you guys, this is so cute. I'm excited. Everyone, that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my social media spread. I am obsessed with the way this turned out. I think it is super, super cute. And you guys, this is going to be a great week. It's going to be a stressful week, but it's going to be great. If you have missed any of my previous Plan With Me's and my social media spread, I have an entire playlist linked down in the description box and in the cards up here in the corner if you guys are interested in checking that out. I also have other playlists related to different categories of planning as well in the description box. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with planners, art prompt journal books, and polymer clay. Lots of other crafting stuff. All of those playlists in different categories are in the description box if you guys are interested in checking out all of the different things that I craft with. Also linked in the description box are going to be my link tree, which has the links to all of the PRs that I'm on and my code and the link to their shop and the affiliates that I'm on at the current moment. It is Paper House Productions, A Cherry on Top Crafts, Day Designer, and Scrapbook.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you're notified when I post new videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!